The Clarke CMFT220 is the ideal multifunction tool for DIY use. With its powerful and economical 220-watt motor, it can saw, cut, grind, scrape, and much more. The head oscillates at 20,000 RPM and has a stroke angle of 3 degrees. The supplied hex key enables you to easily change the wide range of accessories available for this tool. The CMFT220 is supplied with a sanding pad, complete with 3 sanding sheets, a straight-edge cutting blade, and a scraper blade. It is the ideal tool for sanding right into tight corners, and for cutting and sawing in otherwise inaccessible areas, or when fitting flooring, as well as being perfect for cutting holes into sheet material for items such as a wall box. This versatile 12-piece Clarke accessory kit comes complete with a grout removal disc, a semicircular saw blade, 6 sanding sheets, and 10mm, 20mm, and 32mm cutting blades. It is the ideal accessory kit for the CMFT220. With its strong gear housing, this robust tool weighs in at only 1.3 kilos. The Clarke CMFT220 will give you many years of useful service.